In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons on Paperform. Whether you're aiming to spruce up your forms or guide users toward a specific action, buttons can be a simple yet powerful addition. Let's jump into the process, step by step. First, you'll want to start from the Paperform dashboard. Here, you'll see all your existing forms and, of course, the option to create a new one. If you've already got a form in mind, go ahead and open it up. Otherwise, you can easily create a new form to work with. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice an Add Content option. This is where everything begins, so go ahead and click on that. Now let's dive into selecting the button. Among the content options, look for the button labeled simply as buttons, and this is the element we'll be working with today. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter some text, and this is the message that will appear on your button. It might be something straightforward like buy now or learn more. Whatever call to action is appropriate for your form, this text will guide your users to the next step. Next, you need to decide what happens when users click on the button. Paperform allows you to link actions such as opening a page, navigating to a URL, scrolling to a specific section on the form, or even submitting the form itself. Choose the action that aligns with your goals for the form. For instance, if you want users to visit a specific web page, input the URL they should be directed to. Now onto the fun part. Customization. A well-designed button can significantly enhance user experience. Paperform makes it easy to personalize the appearance to match your form's aesthetic. Consider the size of the button. Will it be small and understated or large and eye-catching? Next, think about the color. The right hue can make your button stand out or seamlessly blend into the design depending on your intent. You can also adjust alignment. Should it sit comfortably at the center of the form or align to the left or right margin for stylistic reasons? Take your time to play around with these settings to achieve the look you envision. And there you have it. Adding buttons to your paper form can make your forms not only more interactive, but also more engaging. Remember to preview your form to see how it looks from a user's perspective. Make any final adjustments as needed to ensure everything works smoothly. Adding a button might seem like a small change, but it can be a game changer in directing user interaction and effectively reaching your objectives. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form building on Paperform.